Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you cards all about country life. So let's get started. Here I have this ultimate die cut and paper pack for you by Papermania, and it is themed country life. This is a huge pack. It has 48 pages in there. There are 14 die cut sheets, 22 papers in 11 designs, 4 acetate sheets, 8 decoupage sheets in 4 designs, for a total of 48 sheets. Now, let me show you first of all a few tags that I have created with this pack before we go through it. So there are so many embellishments you can only imagine on 48 different pages, and I have made these cute tags with some of the smaller embellishments and glittered them a little bit. This particular tag here, I again used up all my little paper strips. Look at this cute hen house. We also have this tag here, ready to bake a cake with the eggs, the scale. Beautiful. There is another one here with a cute kitty cat next to the pretty flowers. And I made a 5th tag with some, I want to say this is a herb cabinet. It's got some garlic here. So what comes in this pack? So these are obviously, today I'm starting to share the leftovers first before I share with you my cards I made. But in the pack, I won't be able to show you the entire pack, but I'm going to show you a few things. First of all, the paper is linen paper. You can feel it. It is very high quality linen cardstock. So you have several die cut sheets where you can make your cards. Here's the hen house. So you have all these die cut sheets. More die cut sheets. Then what you have these tags as die cuts, and all in this beautiful quality paper. And I like when you have all this extra smaller art, because you can add it to your envelope, you can add it to the inside of your card. Of course you can make many more cards, but with these smaller embellishments, these are just perfect for those tags I just showed you. So then you have larger ones. So with this paper pack, I don't know, you can make countless projects. Here you have gift card holders, and I made a couple from a different sheet, but they're in the same they came in the same type of sheet. So this is this particular one here, and all you do is, it is already die cut, so you just have to take it out and then glue it together, and it fits a gift card in here. So it makes this little envelope, and I just embellished it with another little tag here. And there is one gift card holder. This is the other gift card holder. Again, all you do is punch it out and glue it together. Here's some room to write a name or a greeting, and then you can embellish the front. So here are 2 cute gift card holders. And then you have all these different papers in here. in this beautiful, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it has this beautiful linen quality to it. So of course it gets blurrier and blurrier. Let's see if it focuses. Yeah, I don't know, the camera may not be able to pick this up, but it is really high quality paper. Cute hearts. We have the beehives. We got Home Sweet Home, strawberries, hearts in a different color, polka dots, more dots, gingham in different colors. There is green, light blue, yellow. There are the chickens, and then you have borders that are cut. Here is the acetate, again some beehive, and also you have die cut stickers, the alphabet. And what I like is, look at how many A's and how many B's in different fonts. So, and then also you have end signs and quote marks and exclamation points, and all of this in this beautiful linen quality. So my cards that I have created with this tag, here is one. Look how cute it is. And what I have done, I have used the coordinating card pack. This is the coordinating card pack, Country Life. It has the A6 cards. A6 is a European card measurement. It is close to our A2 cards. It's just a sliver longer. And in this pack you have 6 different designs, but you have 12 cards. And check these out, because they come with these beautiful, these cute envelopes. Look, this is how the envelopes look like. So they have those envelopes, and then you have 2 cards each, matching of course the papers in the pack. Also, this is nice cardstock, and again this quality linen paper. And in the back you have handmade with love. So these are these cute cards that you can use for, look at the chickens. And this is exactly what I used here for my card. I just added the embellishments, and there are so many layers that you can certainly make a matching tag, that you can give a card and then a matching tag. And of course not to forget the pretty envelope. Then I have here this card I made with the beehive. Now look how adorable this card is. There are several layers. You can add a little extra embellishment inside. In the back you have handmade with love. Who wouldn't want to get such cute card? And all the sentiments are of course part of this paper pack. And here is my hen house, Home Sweet Home. I thought this is so adorable. Here is this beautiful hen house, and that would make a welcome home card. And then I also made one with love always, with all these kitchen items. I put a little bit of glitter on it. Again, I created the matching tag so that I can give both the card and the tag. Now this big ultimate paper pack is on sale currently as long as supplies last. But for those of you who may not want a big paper pack because you already have so many papers, I can also offer these decoupage packs. Those are 8 packs, so you have in each, you have 8 decoupage sheets, and you can make, and some papers, so you can make those 4 different cards. This, by the way, this is what I cut out for my some of my tags, because I always use up the packaging too whenever I can. So you can make these 4 different embellishments, but several times you can create cards, tags, and more. So this is this pack, and then I have a second one also called Country Life, and it has these beautiful sunflowers, a kitchen table here with more eggs, and then in the bag you can see the 4 different cards that you can make. Here is this herb cabinet and also the beehive. So you have 2 each, 2 of these, 2 of the gingham, 2 of the polka dots, and 2 of those die cut sheets. So those are the 8 packs. In case you don't want the big pack, these are included in the ultimate big pack. So if you decide to purchase the ultimate pack, you will have these included. Thank you so much for spending time with me today again. I hope you liked these cards. I had a lot of fun creating with this paper pack. It's so shabby chic, it's so country life. Yeah, the text, the cards. I had tons of fun, and that was very simple too, because you have everything you need in one pack. If you like them, please give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and don't forget to join us on Facebook under the European Papercrafts Friends Facebook group and share your craft projects. So this is all I have for today. Thanks again for spending time with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!